dancing with you under cotton candy skies. Got me feeling like I'm on a sugar high. I could spend forever in your paradise. It's just us.
Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to this channel. So if you're a first timer, thank you for stopping by, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Don't even leave at all. Stay on this channel, but don't forget to subscribe and put on your notifications. So my today's video is going to be a vlog. So I'm going to just be vlogging how my day go. So today is Saturday actually, so I really don't have any bookings for today, or will I say I didn't really accept any booking for today because I wanted to have more time to spend with my family. Of late I have noticed I've really not been spending time that much with my husband and with my baby, except maybe at night when I'm done with my students and with my clients. So today Saturday I was supposed to have like 2 jobs. My phone is ringing, so sorry guys for the breaking transmission. I had to take that call. It's from my estate, and it was very important. But right now I'm in my kitchen. I'm about to make moi moi. So guys, come with me. I already have my moi moi ready, blended. So I'm going to set my camera and prepare my moi moi. So
Tonight, on a sugar high. Never really was a sweet tooth, and then suddenly I met you. Now I'm mesmerized by your chocolate eyes. Always knew you were different, never knew what I was missing. How did I survive without dancing with you under cotton candy skies? You got me feeling like I'm on a sugar high. I could spend forever in your paradise. On a sugar high, just you and I. Sugar high, sugar high, sugar tasted sweeter since the day you put your lips on mine for the first time.
So I already covered it for it to get ready. See you guys when it's ready.
With peppermint and candy canes, and I can't get enough of you. When we're dancing underneath the cotton candy skies, you got me feeling like I'm on a sugar high. I could spend forever in your paradise. On a sugar high, on a sugar high.
You know guys, there's nothing like having your most delicious moi moi accompanied with garri, milk and sugar. Trust me. This every morning your day is made. Trust me, these 2 combination right now. I'm going to be eating this guys, so I'll see you guys after I'm done eating. So guys, it's sanitation Saturday, so I just want to clean around my compound. You can see my backyard. Go inside, go and meet Dada. Yes, Dada is calling you. Hey, sorry, yeah, go and kiss Dada. Go and kiss Dada. Oh yeah, go and call Dada to come. Go and call Dada. Martina, what are you doing? Are you washing the plates? Carlos, go and meet Dada. Oh yeah, sit down here. Wait, sit down. Sit down. Don't move. Oh. Sit down. We are cleaning. We are doing sanitation. I want all this place to go. Yes, my love. What is it?
Don't get up. Lost me. I forget. I wasn't listening. Forget all familiar things. Sun-soaked shores, lost in the evening rain. You're all I wanted, all I wanted. You're all I wanted, all I wanted. Don't get up. Never, please. Elegant, safe place for me to remember all the brilliant things. Brushstroke skies, tucked behind cityscapes. You're all I wanted, all I wanted. You're all I wanted, all I
See, and this dustbin, please, we'll shift it to this side more. Yeah? So that this, because it's covering the beauty of this flower here. We'll shift it to this side. So I want to sweep under here. We'll clean under here too. What?
I forget. I wasn't listening. You're all I wanted, all I wanted. You're all I wanted, all I
So guys, I am back and we're done cleaning. So guys, hey, if you know the kind of strength and ginger moi moi and gari with chilled water, like soak the gari with a very chilled water with milk and ice block, hey, guys, you need to see the ginger that food gave us this Saturday to do clean up, like total clean up. I was shocked. I was shocked. So yeah, I'm dressed I'm actually not going out. I have a video to edit and I'm uploading tomorrow. So I hope you guys are going to watch that video. So guys, yeah. Yep, this is me. Oh, so guys, I just realized I didn't do a closing note or an end note during my vlog on that day. I might have missed it or I might have forgotten. So this is like 2 days after, and I already have my braids on. So I decided to do a close-up video now, so I don't just leave you guys hanging. So guys, this is my closing video. If you enjoyed this video, if you've watched to this extent, please comment down below. If you want me to do more video like this, don't hesitate to comment down below and let me know what you think. So guys, thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for watching to the end.